Here I have a 2002 Duramax 2500 HD Duramax diesel. Been rebuilding the front end. It's got 197,000 kilometers. Did the bottom ball joints, the pitman arm, and the idler arm. The tires are wearing on the insides, getting pretty bad. So took a look and found all the loose components. Also, the right-hand passenger side diff seal was leaking, so I took the axle tube out. There's the axle tube. You can see the flange was oily before. There's the shift collar and shift fork come out too. And then here's your spring washer and clip that are on the inside here. Now supposedly you're supposed to be able to pop this out without taking the tube off. Maybe with a proper puller you could, but I couldn't budge it. I hammered on the flange a bit, wouldn't move. So just when you go to put it back together, make sure you put that kind of lock washer in there, and then this washer is tapered. If you can see that, it's got a taper on the inside and then it's beveled a bit. That's just so this clip sits down in there nice and into the groove of the shaft. One other thing I was going to mention is that in that axle tube, at the end of it, behind the seal, there is a roller bearing or needle bearing. Probably be a good thing to replace while you're doing the seal. And there's the old seal and the new seal. GM genuine part. So we're gonna put that in. Cleaned up the shaft. And there's that groove that the snap ring sits in. And it actually looks like there is no room for that ring to compress. So you're pretty much gonna have to take the axle tube off to get the shaft out, by the looks of it. Otherwise I'd be worried about breaking snap ring. One other thing is also replace the shocks. I put Rancho RS 9000 XL shocks in there. Hopefully they'll be good. Did have FabTech shocks, but they were worn out already, so it was time to replace them. So there you go, guys. How to replace the passenger side, the axle seal, 2002 Duramax. That's all for now.